Are you a trader hungry for success, but hitting a wall with prop firm challenges? If so, it's time to unlock your trading potential with our top-of-the-line futures management services. Picture this, a trade copier so advanced, it boasts a 98% profitable system. This is not just any system, it's a tool designed to catapult you into a different league. A league of traders who don't just pass challenges, they dominate them. Say goodbye to the stress of funding. With our service, you'll be stepping into a partnership with industry titans like TopStep, Apex, and Take Profits Trader. But it doesn't stop there. Our connections with prime brokers, Ninja Trader, Rhythmic, and Tradevate are your ticket to trading triumph. Our service offers you a range of plans, all hosted on our ultra-secure cloud, freeing you to focus on what you do best, winning. The standard plan links 2 accounts for a mere $120 a month. The Plus plan powers 5 accounts at $250. The Pro plan offers 10 accounts for $500. For those who want to go big, our Premium plan commands 20 accounts for $750. And for the ultimate trading force, the Prime plan links 30 accounts for $1,000. Once funded, you get to enjoy a generous 15% profit split, because when you win, we win. And the cherry on top? Enjoy 15% off, currently running on our site at www.primetech-ear.com. It's time to trade with confidence, pass challenges with ease, and manage your growth on a global scale. Our service isn't just a game changer, it's a life changer. So why wait? Unleash your trading potential with us and start dominating your trading challenges today.